In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music into Canva. Now, there's actually two different ways that we can do this. The first way is when we have a project, a video open like this, which we're designing, we can then come over here to the upload section. Now, if we look here, there's an image tab, a video tab, and an audio. So right here is where we want to upload. Now, even if we upload into the images, so let's go ahead and take one of my songs just here. If we upload that like this into images, it's automatically going to be added into the audio section. And then once that's been uploaded like this, we can preview it by pressing play just like that. Or if we want to add this to our video, we can simply click onto that. It's then added it down here, and then we can adjust as needed. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add music into Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.